Hello everyone. So today Adda247 is organizing this inter-school quiz competition for students. इस competition के लिए हमने students को बोला था कि भाई आपको करना है अपने school को nominate और जिस भी school के सबसे ज़्यादा votes होंगे वो students को हम लोग करेंगे select. Finally we have our participants today. तो आइए उनसे मिलते हैं, देखते हैं how have they prepared themselves for today's competition. आ जाइए. Alright, so let's meet our students. So first we have, what's your name?
I'm Tanishq Agarwal.
Tanishq, right? So which school are you from?
DAV Public School, Sector 49.
Alright, so how's your feeling? Have you ever taken participation in any competition like
Yeah, like all the time I keep doing these things.
these kind of competitions? Like, so what is your preparation? How have you done? What extra have you done today?
Like I have usually scrapped all the blogs and posts and I'm depending on my preemptive knowledge.
Great, so all the best. Thanks. Right, so what's your name?
My name is Navneet.
Which school are you from?
DAV Sector 49.
Same school you both are from, right? So what's your agenda today? How are you gonna nail this exam?
I'm mostly by myself with the street knowledge I have, but I'm gonna try to, implement the knowledge which I have from my past experiences, mostly of my social media coverage or street knowledge in terms of asteroids and stuff, which is the main agenda. Today is the World's International Asteroid Day.
Exactly. So wish you good luck.
Thank you, ma'am.
Alright, so next we have, what's your name?
Brinda.
Vrinda, right? Which school are you from, Vrinda?
Genesis Global.
Genesis. So how have you prepared for today's quiz?
I have just prepared from some websites and the news.
Alright, so are you excited today?
Yeah, excited and nervous. It's my first experience for the quiz.
So definitely you're going to have the best experience today because I believe students should keep on take participation in such competition. This in fact gives you a kind of you explore a lot, so that's good. What's your name?
Turvi Ahuja.
Which school?
DPS Sushantlo.
Seems like you both are from the same school,
Yeah.
right? So how's your preparation?
It's very well. I've tried preparing and collecting stuff from various resources, YouTube and websites.
How did you get to know about this competition that we are having today?
Through YouTube, I saw one of the shots, so yeah, I participated.
Right. So after that, who filled the form and how did this happen? Do you
For
have
me,
any
it was through the teacher in charge, and she had filled the form for me to enroll in.
idea? Right. Next we have, what's your name?
Tatsat.
Sorry?
Tatsat.
Tatsak.
हाँ जी.
All right. So which school are you from?
DAV पीतमपुरा.
DAV Pritampura. Right. तो आपको पता है आज आप यहाँ क्यों आए हैं?
हाँ जी. क्विज Adda247 एक क्विज करवा रहा है, उसके लिए हमें स्कूल ने बोला था कि आना है यहाँ पे.
Right. So what is your preparation for this quiz?
We have prepared a lot. We have gone through a lot of GK questions and general knowledge questions and types of awards that are there in sports and each of every field, and we are very excited to win about that.
Amazing. तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि भाई ये DAV, right? DAV is going to win this competition. भाई आप कैसे टक्कर देने वाले? What's your name? Mehak. And what's your name?
Piyush.
Which school?
Jiduanga Indrapuram.
Right. So you must have heard the way he said कि उन्हें बहुत अच्छी से तैयारी की हुई है. What's your preparation?
Ma'am, not just by saying it means that they will win.
अरे वाह. So how are you gonna win? क्या है? Strategy क्या है?
We are pretty confident.
Okay.
We have worked upon the quiz and all that, and we have prepared from Adda247 itself. It's pretty convenient from your side to have those current. So hopefully we'll get some of the questions from your side only.
Right. तो यहाँ पे तो कांटे की टक्कर होगी, of course, with DAV and GD going car. So let's see who's gonna win again. May the best team win this competition. All the best to everyone.
Enjoy the atmosphere, but we'll enjoy the atmosphere and we are having your company.
Right, exactly. So that's why we say, whenever you get any chance, any opportunity, grab that. जब आप बाहर आते हो तो आप देखते हो, किस टाइप से चीज़ें बाहर होती है, एक्सप्लोर करने को नया मिलता है. So of course this is so interesting.
It's not about winning, it's about gaining the experience.
It's about gaining the experience and Adda247 ऐसे competitions कराता रहता है. Future में भी हम लोग बहुत सारे competitions ऐसे कराने वाले हैं. So definitely जितने भी बच्चों ने अभी भी join नहीं किया है, they can join this. Thank you.